Welcome to our channel where we make banking simple and straightforward for you. Activating your Ally Bank debit card is a quick and easy process that gets you ready to use your card securely and conveniently. Let's walk through the steps you need to follow to activate your card successfully. First, when you receive your new Ally Bank debit card, make sure to sign the back of your card immediately. This adds an extra layer of security and is required before you can use your card. Next, there are three main ways you can activate your Ally card: online, through the mobile app, or by phone. To activate online, visit Ally Bank's official website and navigate to the debit card activation page. You will be prompted to enter your card number, CVV, and your personal details to verify your identity. Follow the instructions carefully and submit. Within moments, your card should be activated and ready for use. Alternatively, downloading the Ally mobile banking app on your smartphone allows you to manage and activate your debit card directly from your device. After logging into your account, select the debit card activation option, enter the necessary card information, and confirm activation. This method is fast and efficient, especially if you prefer mobile banking. If you prefer phone activation, call Ally Bank's customer service number provided with your card package. Follow the automated prompts or speak with a representative who will verify your information and activate your card on your behalf. This is convenient if you want assistance or prefer to handle it verbally. Once your card is activated, be sure to check for any confirmation messages or emails to verify activation was completed successfully. Remember to set your personal identification number, PIN, for ATM and point-of-sale transactions if you haven't done so at this stage. In summary, activating your Ally Bank debit card requires signing the card, then using either the online, mobile app, or phone option for activation. This ensures your card is secure, activated, and ready for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online payments. Following these steps helps you avoid any unnecessary delays and enjoy your banking experience with Ally. Finally, don't forget to destroy any old or replaced debit cards securely to protect your financial information. Thanks for following along with these clear, step-by-step instructions to activate your Ally Bank debit card. We hope this guide makes your banking simpler and more convenient. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more practical financial tips and guides.